Need to reach a seller on Temu? I will guide you. Ever wanted to ask a seller a question about a product on Temu? Reaching out to the seller is easier than you think. Let me show you how to contact the seller in just a few quick steps. Hi there! Welcome to One Stop Solution. In today's video, I will walk you through the process of contacting sellers on Temu so you can get the answers you need about your favorite products. First, open up the Temu app on your phone. Browse through the app and click on the item you want to ask the seller about. You can also search for a specific product if you have something in mind. Here, I'm choosing this item. Once you're on the items page, scroll down to find the product details. Click on See All to expand the full product details. Now, copy the item ID, which you will need to share with customer service later. Head back to the home page. At the bottom of the screen, click on the User Profile section to access your account. You will then see customer service icon at the top of your profile page. Tap on it to proceed. You will see a Contact Us button. Go ahead and tap that to open the contact options. Now, paste the item ID you copied earlier and send it to the customer service. Once they receive the ID, they will give you an option to contact the store. Tap on that. Then, click on Chat with the Merchant button, and just like that, you are now able to directly message the seller and chat about the item. And there you go, you have successfully contacted a seller in Temu. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.